Guys, we're with a person from Bicol.
Yes.
Pero from where ka?
Davao.
Davao. Okay, what's your question? We just finished Stock Smarts Davao. What's your question? Okay, game. Oh, part 2 game. What's
Part 2,
oh,
ilan yung advisable na indicators na pwedeng gamitin?
And then, depende sa gagamit. Depende sa ano mo, sa parang style mo or scenario mo kasi ang depende kung saan yung parang sweet spot mo ano yung okay. So if you've noticed it, sa akin okay na ako sa support and resistance and then yung candlesticks eh. Pero what I do, kung hindi pa ako convinced doon, gagawin ko dagdag. Hindi convinced, sige, lagyan ko ng moving average. Hindi ako convinced, lagyan ko ng MACD until parang dumating sa point na medyo may full conviction na ako doon. Pero I start with support and resistance first. Moving average, yun yung pinaka-staple ko, tapos may MACD. Tapos kung gusto ko lagyan ng, for example, kailangan ko makita kung nagpapasok yung mga tao ng pera, that's when I add yung volume oscillators natin. If I want to know also, kunyari, oversold yung market, that's when I use RSI. If I want to see, gusto ko lagyan ng combination ng ano pa yung itsura ng trend nun, either lalagyan ko ng Bollinger Bands or lalagyan ko ng other levels of analysis. Pero yung ibang analysis doon, dinadagdag ko lang. So, it depends on what I want to see and what I want to do. Tapos pwede ka pa mag-zoom out eh. Pwede ka pa maghanap kung ano yung mas malakas sa support and resistance. So, parang ganun. So, I start with yung kung ano yung basic ko. Pero some of the attendees, no, hindi sila nagsa-start na ng support and resistance eh. Nag-Fibonacci na kagad sila to draw it or nagdidiretso na sila kagad na gumagamit ng either moving averages. So, it depends on what your comfort level is and kung ano yung pinaka-okay sa'yo. Pinaka-important doon is you use it para makabuild ng conviction. Pero if you're using it, tapos nalilito ka lalo, di sobrang dami pinipili mo that it doesn't actually help. So wala sa dami yun, nasa how convinced you are on your analysis. What else?
Meron pa isa.
Oh, sige, go.
Pagka magdodraw ka ng support and resistance, ano yung advisable or
maganda
duration?
Actually, ngayon ko lang naisip itong may mga nagtatanong sa akin kasi ako yung nagtatanong, di ba? Game.
Ano yung advisable na mag-plot ka ng support and resistance? 1 week or...
Depends on what you want to analyze. If you notice yung
about kung position trader ka.
If you notice yung videos natin or not the videos, the session that we did, yung ginawa ko was basically nagzo-zoom out ako until mahanap yung support. So I just wala siya sa time frame. It's more of what will you do until makuha mo yung next support and next resistance. So keep on zooming out until makuha mo yun. So kung makuha mo yun in 1 month, yun yung support, you stop there. Pero if you want to see what's stronger, you need to zoom out. Katulad sa lesson, the longer it is weaker, stronger. So ganun. So if you want something shorter, you don't need to zoom out as much. Pero if you notice it, pag shorter siya, yung margins mo will be smaller also. Pero mas mabilis yung akyat sa kababa niya. Yun.
Okay.
That's it? Yun lang? Wow, bilis. Add ko kaya ito sa isang video or we'll make this another video na lang. Or I don't know. Yun ang question mo?
Yes.
Okay. Next. Thank you so much. Okay.
Pwede ba may discount next seminar?
Paano yun? Kasi paano natin gagawin yung discount? Meron naman, may early bird rate. Ano yung question? Yun na yung question? Yun na yun?
For long term, like peso cost averaging. For long term, may kailangan bang timing para bumili?
Oo naman. You always buy at either the support or you use fundamentals.
Although it's for long term.
Oh, you always have to use fundamentals. Dapat mura siya. You don't buy when it's expensive. So, very important. Pag long term, mas importante sa akin yung fundamental analysis kasi ayokong bumili ng mahal. So, Jollibee is a good company. I said this sa seminar eh. Nakatulog kaya tanong. Hindi, joke lang. Wala ka pa nun. So,
yes. Valentine's Day yung portfolio.
Valentine's Day. So, I don't want to buy a stock na sobrang ganda pero sobrang mahal. I want it that it's medyo reasonable to a price that I want to buy it. Kasi labanan pa rin sa stock market to buy cheap eh. Diba? The cheaper the stock, the better. So, if you are into long term, fundamentals is very, very important. You buy it with valuations that are super undervalued and you can research this, PE ratio is very, very cheap also. Plus, haluan mo technicals, do not buy it na sobrang layo na niya sa uptrend niya. Gusto mo, binibili mo siya na nagre-reverse pa lang sa uptrend. Yun. Ano pa? Architect, meron pa. Dapat meron pa. Hindi na. Di ba? Wala na? Okay,
you.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. O, game. Picture. Ako rin, nasa video ka. Then, game. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, ikaw na yung totoo nasa video. Ay, ayusin ko pala gamit ko.